Hello friends, this is Lakshmi from Raj Academy. Today we are going to say about analysis of question paper December 2026. So question papers from paper to computer science and applications. This time actually we got many types of different types of questions. Normally we used to get before 4 years just match the following questions, assertion reasoning, and some of the application oriented workout questions we used to get. But nowadays, last three, four sets, we are getting match the following assessment reasoning, comprehension questions, and chronological questions, and conceptual basis we got this time, and time complexity they asked repeatedly actually, and direct questions they asked direct meaning questions they said actually it's like a match the following, and uh, chronological order also. So actually, we normally we used to say, for example, every unit, for example, discrete mathematics, operating systems, and so whatever every from topic we will use. Normally, we can say it's a 10 questions, but this time we can't say correctly actually. Nowadays they are asking the 11 questions, 12 questions. Sometimes they're not asking the questions also from that particular unit. So this time we can see, so discrete mathematics, they have asked nearly 11 questions. Computer system architecture, they asked 10 questions. And programming language, nearly we got as a 9 questions. And DBMS, we got nearly 8 questions. And operating system, we got 7 questions. Software engineering, 9 questions. And moreover, actually, we got data structures, actually, we got nearly 13 to 14 questions. So, but artificial intelligence, we got nearly 11 questions. 11 questions. So we can see here, we can't say nowadays it's a everywhere you get a 10 out of 10 like this. We are getting any a little bit it's a differentiation only. Okay, so match the following. It's they asked many questions nowadays this time and assertion also, and 2 units they have taken comprehension last one. Really, that's we have to work out this. We have to see this point because five questions are. So it's taking 10 questions. So 20 marks once we can give this one. Totally 20 marks we are getting. So that we have to focus really. It's very important. And the chronological increasing, decreasing orders and order of sequence orders. So that also we have to know. We have discussed many questions like this actually in classes also. Okay. Uh, from this point of view, just we can see the question paper a little bit. What are the questions they've added? You can see this question paper. So how they've asked. Last, we can see which type of questions they are asking in the comprehension question. Actually, they've asked the computer system architecture and nearly next one they've asked about other unit also. Okay. Now we can see some of the questions just for your kind reference. For example, arrange the following task lexical analyzer in correct sequence. So actually lexical analyzer, what is meant by lexical analyzer? We have seen many, it's very important questions I said while taking the class itself. So here we are stream of tokens actually. We are it's one of the important things. It's a lexical analyzer. It's going to work out space stream of tokens. So here they are taking order how it's going to generate stream of tokens. So how it will take first one. So first it will take a buffering and reading source characters. And next one it's take the removal of comments and white spaces it will remove. And next one token generation and returns tokens of stream to parser actually. This is the correct answer. So here I have given what is the important thing, what is the notes actually. Next one, which logic is designed to address the problem is referential opacity of proportional attributes. Actually, this is a model logic. This is one actually have given here. What is the model logic extends to proportional logic by introducing model operators. So these operators explicitly handle contexts where referential opacity occurs. And next question, you see dialog control. It's a function of a which layer. Really, it's very direct questions. Actually, we used to say 7 layers we have. That 7 layers, even we have given the full and full nodes also, and exam oriented nodes also. So in exam oriented nodes, just we used to give what does network layer means, what are the important things. And transport layer means what it has to come end to end, that like this session layer means it's a like this dialog controls like this we have given. So it's a direct question. Really, we can see while seeing the question itself, we can say this is the answer. So here I have given, so session layer means dialog control, session this one synchronization, and these are the things. And what is a network layer? Network layer, we know that routing, and transport layer end-to-end delivery, flow control and error control, and presentation layer, deals with the encryption and compression. And the in-order and pre-order traversal binary tree, really that's have taken many times this type of questions. It, really just you can try one, just one time also will get answer like this they have given actually. You can see here, for example, I told you in order we have to write it here. In order, what in order they have given? So first one, A, B, D, E, C, F, G they have given. Yes. And next one, sorry, this is pre-order they have given. This is pre-order. In order, what they have given? In order, A, sorry, D, B, E, A, F, C, and G they have given. Yes. Now, post order we have to find out. So first what we have to do, we have to make it as a tree. Yes, pre-order always is the first element is a root element. Yes, we know that. So we have to take the A first one. So where it is A in order, just you can mark it here. So next to one element, we have to move from the pre-order, and we have to select where we have to go left or right from the in order. That's the rule we know. So first one, next element is a B. So B where it is actually A, it's a left side. So A left side. Next element is a D. D where it is, it's a left side and B left side. That we have to note down. Okay. Next one, E where it is A left side. First root we have to check. Next this one parent element we have to check. So B right side. So this is E it has to come. Yes. So next one, C where it has to come. C A right side. So here right side it has to come. So F where it is a C A right side and C it's a left side. So it's a left side. Okay. So next one G where it has to come. So A right side and this one C right side. So here's right side. This is actually tree we got it. Now from this one we have to make it as a post order. Yes. So now we can see post order what? Left right root. So left right root and left right root and left. So if we'll take this one first, we have to make left right root. Next one after left, we have to move this one. Yes. So here also we have to see left right root order. Next one root. So what is the answer here? We have just we can see to it D. This is actually E. Sorry. So D, E, B, and F, G, C, A. So this is our this one. So this question, this type of questions actually we have discussed many times in class itself. So many which we have discussed and which I told you it's very important. Even the theoretical questions also I said so many questions actually it has come. We can say this is moderate to easy level actually. A little moderate and half easy level. Arrange the following applet life cycle. Applet life cycle, it's a normal Java basic questions. So here normally we can see from a basic point of view, even if you not read also, we can see the basic point of view. What's the first one? Initialization only. Programming level you can see. In initialization, we after that we have to start level. We have to start. Next one paint means it's working level. Whatever drawings, whatever making, we have to make it the drawing concept. Next one, last one, stop concept. This is the basic I'm telling. So from the point of view only, we can find out which one is the answer. This I've given just notes for your reference. Okay. And SE, whenever we are taking SE, software engineering questions, which one is the important question? It's a product development life cycle. And what are the life cycle models? It's very important. Life cycle model also they've asked actually. So, and COCOMO and coupling models, and these are the things, it's very important. Okay, here they have asked it's a direct questions. What is content coupling? What is control coupling? What is stamp coupling? What is data coupling? So, for example, here I have given for which one is the direct, this one is explanation. So, what is data coupling? So, modules communicate by passing only necessary private data as parameters. This idea from promoting independence. So, what is data coupling here? So, just data coupling they have given. So, passes long list of data argument. So, like this, it's a definition they have given directly. That's all. And dynamic, which one is the, here it has come from the, this dynamic programming, greedy approach and backtracking, branch and bound inference from data structures. So this also is very important. And one of the important thing while taking DCN, normally you used to give this one, it's a very important thing we used to say. This diagram, even while giving that formula file, if I have given many times, I have forwarded that formula file. This is exam day, we have to read it. That I told you many times, that file also we have given. This is an important thing because it really it's very important. You can see just 255 you can divide half of. We know that that's a 0 to 127. That is 50 percentage. That's 50 percentage actually. This is class A. And this we have to make it half of. This is actually 25 percentage. This is 25. This is actually 100 percentage. Yes. 25 percentage. So this one we can say this is a class B. This is class B. Next one, this we can divide the 12.5 percentage, that we can see is class C. And class D is a multicast we used to say, class E reserved beta. 6.25 percentage, like this it will come. 12.5 percentage we can divide again this one, we can will get 6 point something. So normally it's very important, we have to remember remember also. That's why I have given the formula session. It's a exam day oriented question, this one. Okay, class A means 02 to 127 and class B means 128 to 191. Class C means 192 to 223 and class D means 224 to 239 and class E means 242 to 255. Normally, while taking class, this one we'll say very often to remember memorize that itself. That's why it's this much. It's very important. Sorry. Now I can see here 190, they have given 190 is to 10 is this one. So what is actually this one? 190, you can take its first one, where it's 190 actually, 128 to 191. This is class B. So class B, we have to take it here. And what is 230? First itself, you can see 230, where it is 230 actually in 239, up to 239, class D. So class D, it's coming. So it's a fourth one. And what is 249? So 249 it will be a class E. So class E, where it is actually this is the first one and last 127. 0 to 127 actually class A. So that we know. So that's a third one. So this is a question. If you know this one, really we can see directly there's a two within seconds we can apply this one. So this is also very important. We have discussed many times in class itself while taking artificial intelligence and what is expert system. Expert system we have given with one of the medical diagnosis, transportation, and 4 expert system we have given directly name itself. So in the name itself, I have explained which expert system it's going to work out, which one. So that one of the main thing is a medical diagnosis, it's why you're using. And NLP is the natural language processing. It's used to convert the human language to human language, like Alexa. So even text also, it will convert whatever it's going to work out, text or videos or whatever it's a language, it will convert and it will analyze. So this is second one. Computer vision. So we can say directly, even images, whatever, So it will use computer vision. And ML means is a learning data. So it's going to learn data and it will predict the predictive methods it's going to use. So this also we have discussed. This is also very direct questions. They didn't ask anything. It's this one. So that's why I want to say many direct questions and many chronological order questions and many match the following questions. They've asked this one. Uh, I told you many times in match class itself. Match the following questions. If you know one or two to answer also, it's very simple to work out within a second. One question, if you know also, just we can move on to the choices, and if it is possible, you can complete that itself. Otherwise, you can see one more options. For example, just you can see this question here. I'll tell you. So that also we have discussed many times. Expert system where is medical diagnosis, I know very much, really I know. So first option where it is this one, first option first. So I can complete this there itself. No need to work out this also here in this question. Here you can see no, this one directly they have second option they have given this one. And if you know this one, second one NLP, in this question, no need at all other option. If you know clearly one option, you will get answer there itself, means no need to work out other option also, because we have to maintain time. So many times we have I told it's while taking classes. So many match the following question. If you will get match the following questions, really it's very good for us, because we have learned so many things in class. Yes, we have learned so many concepts. So really we know some of the important concepts we have discussed, and we know even one or two concept, if you remember also, it will be very easy to work out this question and match the following. So why, if we are getting match the following in chronological order, really it's very easy only, we can say. This is my point of view. Even we discussed also. Okay, and thank you all of you. I hope we have done very well. We can see the waiting for the results. It will be sure it will get all of you will get qualified. And thank you once again. We can analyze some of the questions and hereafter. Thank you. Thank you all of you.